In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a space in Wrike safely and correctly. We'll walk through this step by step so you know exactly what to click, what to look out for, and how to avoid deleting the wrong thing by mistake. By the end, you'll feel confident managing your spaces and keeping your Wrike workspace clean and organized. First, open Wrike and head over to your campaign management area. This is usually set up as a space where you keep all your campaigns, projects, and related tasks together. If you're already inside Wrike, you can find it from your main workspace view by looking for the campaign management space in your left-hand navigation panel, or by choosing it from your spaces list at the top if you have that view enabled. Go ahead and click into that campaign management space so you're looking at its main view, such as the table or list of items inside it. Next, we're going to look for the highlighted area that opens the space settings. Depending on your layout, this is usually near the top of the screen, close to the space name, or in the left sidebar next to that space. You might see an icon, a small drop-down arrow, or a menu button associated with the space. That highlighted element is what you want to click. When you click it, Wrike will open a menu with options related specifically to that space. From that menu, look for the option labeled Delete Space. This is the command that removes the entire space from your Wrike account, including everything inside it. Before you click it, pause for a second and make sure you're in the correct space. Double-check the space name at the top of your screen and be sure you're not accidentally deleting a different team or project area. Once you're certain, click on Delete Space. Wrike will then show you a confirmation window. This is a safety check so you don't delete something by accident. In this confirmation pop-up, Wrike usually reminds you that deleting a space can't be undone or may require admin help to restore. Take a moment to review what it says and, again, verify that this is the space you intend to remove. If everything looks right and you're sure you want to proceed, click on Delete in the confirmation window. After a moment, the space will be removed from your list and you're done.